Hello, friends. Welcome to my education vlog. I am Professor Jen, your best AI guide for study. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 study tips that will not only help you score better in exams, but also make your study sessions smarter and more effective. So, stay with me till the end, because the last tip is a bonus trick that many students don't know. Tip 1. Make a routine. First, make a proper routine. Instead of studying randomly, set fixed times for study, breaks, and sleep. For example, you can study 2 hours in the morning when your mind is fresh, then take a break and continue later in the evening. When you follow a consistent routine, your brain automatically gets ready to learn at that time. Remember, success comes from small, daily habits. Tip 2. Take smart notes. Second tip, take smart notes. Don't just copy everything from the book. Instead, write down keywords, make flowcharts, and highlight important points. Use colors and sticky notes to make your notes more interesting. For example, if you are studying history, instead of writing long paragraphs, make a timeline of important events. This saves time during revision and makes studying fun. Tip 3. Avoid distractions. Third tip, avoid distractions. Mobile phones, social media, and background noise can break your concentration. When you study, keep your phone on silent or use apps that block notifications. Find a quiet space like a library or a corner of your room. Remember, focused 1 hour of study is better than 3 hours with distractions. Tip 4. Manage your time. Fourth tip, learn time management. Use the 50 to 10 rule. Study for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. These small breaks refresh your mind and prevent burnout. You can also set daily targets. For example, finish 2 chapters in the morning and practice problems in the evening. By breaking big tasks into smaller goals, studying becomes less stressful and more productive. Tip 5. Revise daily. Fifth and most important tip, daily revision. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes revising what you studied that day. This keeps the information fresh in your memory. Instead of cramming everything before exams, small daily revisions make learning permanent. And finally, here is the bonus tip. And here's a bonus tip. Take care of your health. Eat well, drink water, and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. A healthy body supports a sharp brain, and you'll study better when you feel fresh and active. So, these were my top 5 study tips, plus a bonus one. Start applying them today, and you'll see a big difference in your learning and exam results. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next vlog.